Welcome back to our National Training Center we call CareTech. So we're back here with our barn find 1987 Porsche 944 Turbo. I want to show you guys how to remove some medium to heavy oxidation along with some medium to light surface scratches and show you how we can bring it back to a really good luster and gloss in one easy step. Your pad selection is going to play a major role in your results. In a case like this, I like to use a microfiber pad such as this one. It's going to get me some cutting action and also some polishing action, help break down my product and get to where I want to be. So polisher and pad selection is going to be very key based on the paint system that you're working on. You want to make sure that you take the time to figure out what type of paint system that you're working with, whether it's a base coat, clear coat, or it's a one stage, if it's a modern paint, or if it's a vintage paint such as this one. That's going to play a major role in what type of pad polisher product combination that you want to go with. So for this application, I'm going to choose PRC. I'm going to choose a microfiber cutting / polishing pad, and I'm going to choose a short throw 5-inch polisher for this section here.